Hi everybody, Settling, and I'm going to show you my Webkinz collection. And I'm not pretty sure what all my Webkinz are, but I have some of them, because I know I have more than this. So, please just watch all my videos, please. I'm going to have more videos out, like today. Okay. This is Russell. Oh, this is Russell. This is Russell, my golden retriever. This is Megan, my alley cat. This is Max, my tiger snake. He's retired. Yeah. This is Ivan, my black bear. This is Jessica, my black and white cat. This is Poe. I forget what I named him, but I call him Poe sometimes, and he's my panda. So this is London, my white terrier. This is Polo, my polar bear. This is Angel, my poodle. And this is Alexis, my penguin. So please comment and rate. And I know there's nothing much to do on this, but comment and rate my other videos, because I'm going to have some more videos for y'all. So peace out.